Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide apps in this device or how to lock apps in this device also. So with the help of Moto Secure application we can hide or lock application. For this, open the application Moto Secure. So here you can see the option secure folder. Tap on this one, then tap on continue. Get started. So first we need to set a password. This is the device password. So here I enter the screen lock password. Just wait for a few seconds. So first we need to set a password for this Moto Secure application. So you can select pattern or pin or password. So here I am going to select the option pin. Then here we need to enter a pin. The pin must at least contain 4 digits. Tap on next. Tap on confirm. Okay, so if you want to enable the fingerprint unlock, you can enable, otherwise tap on maybe later. So to add application, tap on the icon plus icon, then tap on the app option add apps. Tap on add apps, and here you can see all the application from your device. You can see here. So if you add any application in the Moto Secure, it will create a dual application. So simply here I am going to create the hide app for the Facebook, or sorry, here I am going to select the application calculator. Tap on calculator. Now tap on the tick symbol. Tap on OK. Now you can see calculator is here. This is a dual application. So here I am going to open the application, and here I am going to add something. You can see. Okay, and here also you can see the application calculator. So here I am going to open. Now you can see this is a fresh calculator. So here I am going to enter another number. You can see both application. You can see here. If you tap on this one, here we need to enter the pin. You can see this is from the Moto Secure application, and this is our normal application calculator. You can see 2 calculators, and this is hidden from the home screen, and this is secure, and we have to put the lock also. So in this way you can set the lock or hide applications in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.